First time making homemade pupusas, black pepper inside of the masa and beans, bouillon flavoring inside of the beans, a little vegetable oil for my hands so that the masa will not stick to my hands when I roll my little ball. After rolling my ball, I'll make a little indentation for my filling to go in, sealing that, patting it like a little pancake. Any open spaces, I'll fill in with more masa. No me queda más que perderme en un abismo de tristeza y lágrimas. No me queda más que encuadrar en mi derrota y brindarte felicidad. Pat it, pat it, pat it, pat it, pat it, pat it. No me queda más. Ooh, look at that. Don't it look beautiful? Now I'm going to put it on the grill with the little oil. Check out the flip. You better get a grip. My first time making homemade bean and cheese pupusas. Adios.